feature pull is taking place. But all those trophies are going to go to the kids who pedal the best. You never know how it's going to work out.
How do you know that?
All right, Cody, you ready? 70 pounds. Pedal hard. Pedal. Pedal 60 pounds. Pedal. Pedal. Pedal.
You got this. Keep going, buddy. You got this. Full pull. Go, 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 go. Keep on going. Keep on going. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. How was that?
Probably a little bit more in the box than what he weighs in.
Probably.
All right, buddy, ready? Pedal hard. Pedal. Pedal.
Pedal, bud. Pedal.
Pedal. Pedal. Pedal.
You got it. You got it. Full pull. Full pull. Keep going. Keep going. Don't let off. Don't let off. Keep going. You got it. Full pull. Yeah, bud. Yeah. There's only 3 left, right?
Yeah, but they're heavy ones.
Yeah.
130 pounds. 130 pounds. Here's Cody. 130 pounds in the box.
You got this, bud.
Best shot, Cody.
All right, come on. 1 minute.
All right, buddy, you ready?
Yeah.
Pedal hard. Pedal. Here we go.
Go, bud. Go. Full pull. Full pull, bud. Keep on going. 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 Pedal, 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 pedal. You got one more jerk. Go hard.
Oh, missed the gear.
Oh, nice job, nice job, nice job.
Good job.
Good job, buddy.
What do we got?
28.6. 28.6. There's your winner.
You got first, buddy. Good
28.6.
job.
Come on back. Andrew, number 2.
Woohoo!
Yeah, bud. Stand over there. We gotta get pictures. You got it, bud.
Side of the tractor.
Come on. Yeah, buddy.
Good job.
I won the tractor pull and I came in first place.